Let's go grab a quick lunch. Where are we going? Well, 7-Eleven. No, I'm not taking you for a big bite and a Slurpee. It seems like everyone on YouTube is just discovering how awesome 7-Elevens in Japan are. Well, guess what? 7-Eleven Hawaii has always been run like the ones in Japan. The great chef Anthony Bourdain used to gush about the egg salad sandwiches he had in Conbinis in Japan. Guess what, Tony? We've had them here all along. I'm gonna bet that you don't have a lot of these things at your 7-Eleven. Some of these are very local snacks. But don't worry, we still have Slurpees. Okay, you see this cat? This is Luka. We gotta make sure she is well fed, because whenever I go to 7-Eleven, she goes nuts. So what have we got? Gotta have some of their awesome sushi. What makes 7-Eleven sushi so great? It's this ingenious wrapping that keeps the nori separate, so it's fresh and crispy right up until the time you take a bite. Sinking your teeth through the crunch of the nori into the soft rice is just so satisfying. Tuna mayo is my favorite. Be careful, spicy tuna and spicy ahi are different. Tuna is more like canned tuna, whereas the ahi roll has luscious chunks of ahi sashimi. Don't get them mixed up. And here comes Luka. Luka just loves the nori. She can smell it as soon as I unwrap a roll. So whenever I eat 7-Eleven sushi, she's just all over me. A cat of impeccable taste. Itoen drinks are my go-to beverage. It's just pure, unadulterated green tea. No sugar or anything, just like you'd find in Japan. A little bitter, but so fragrant and so refreshing. I really love these giant Mochiko chicken musubis. Having the savory Mochiko chicken sandwiched in soft rice is the perfect delivery. Even better than a plate of Mochiko chicken because you get that perfect bite. I always find it interesting that we call them musubis, whereas in Japan, you hear the term onigiri more commonly. They're both Japanese, but Hawaii Japanese has its own characteristics. That's what happens when you're isolated in the middle of an ocean. "7-Eleven actually has the best Lup Cheong Bao on the island. They give you the whole piece of Lup Cheong, or Chinese sausage, and don't shortchange you like other places. Plus, the breading is super soft and such a pretty swirl. Of course, you can't leave without having a classic spam musubi. It's a Hawaii icon. But even more interesting is the Hawaiian Winnahs Musubi. Luka! Redondo's Hawaiian Winnahs, get it, like wieners, are much more spiced than regular hot dogs. That red color isn't just for show. They're a truly local flavor and the true meat-in-tube form of the islands that you missed while you were here, Tony. Man, I wish I could have shared one with you. But I'm getting really full. I think I'll save these for breakfast tomorrow. Until next time, Joy Kin and a hui ho.